Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. If choppy akong tingog plus, please tell me na. Wait, DMD ang signal. Okay, so what's our last topic gani? Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's our last discussion. So we're down to the example. Okay, so for the example class, it is given through graphical representation. Okay? I-discuss na ako balik. So we are at even symmetric or odd symmetric. So if this is the um graphical sequence for our even symmetric, the odd symmetric class is for this one. Okay? The even symmetric is this is the original signal. Okay? Imo lang siyang gi-flip or imong gi-fold. Okay? Symmetric siya. Right? Now for odd symmetric is imbis nga naa siya diri nga part, okay, but we have negative man siya. So atong gi-flip to the negative side. That's for the odd symmetric. The negative xn imong gi-add. Imong gi-add, imong gi-flip. Okay? This one imong gi-flip because this is the xn, this is the x of negative n. And ang x of negative n, so kopyahan na nato si xn plus, right? So the negative xn supposed to be nasa babaw, atong i-flip mo ni siya. So if we have the representation x of n equal to x e of n, e for even, o for odd, plus x sub o of n, okay? Suppose atong gi-as is na si n is negative n. Okay? The same goes kay na-apply man diri. So suppose mo na ni siya. So x of negative n is equal to x e negative n minus x o negative n. Okay? That's for our second equation. For our first equation mo na siya. Okay? Now, if you add the two, okay, kung imo na siya i-add ang duha, dili si suppose ha, xn plus negative xn this one. Okay, kopya na siya. And for x en plus x en, okay, that's 2x en. Okay, do not mind the negative sign here because we represented that as a negative n. And then for xo minus xo, so may na siyang xo plus minus xo, right? So mawala na si xo. Now if we subtract the two, if we subtract this number two from our number one, so si xn minus xn is zero, right? So xo of n minus um x of n, that's 2 because x plus plus mo na siya. So 2, adara 2 xo of n, okay? And then to eliminate the 2 here, so coefficient 2, you can just multiply the whole equation by 1 half, okay? So this is x sub o of n equal to 1 half and this expression, okay? So for example, we have, okay? So if we have here, sorry class, bahala kayo, wait. Um, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 0, we have 5, um, okay. So this is the representation. We have okay. So that's the representation class. So this is 5. This is 3. Hopefully makita ninyo. 4, 2, 1, and 0, 0. So for this one, this is 2 amplitude ha. This is 3, 1, 0, 0. Hey. Now, that's our x of n. Okay? Now, to solve, okay? By the way, ang i-solve na very class is the sequence, the odd symmetric sequence, and the even symmetric sequence. Okay? Atong tan-awon kung odd ba siya using the sequence, tan-aw na to unsay odd o even, unsay form niya ko, unsay graph, or kung i-graph na to. Okay? Or ato i-sequence lang. Okay? Um, next, we need to have our x of negative n. X of negative n, flip calculus. Okay? Flip ba rin natin? Oh, it can be. And, hindi ko pa ba mo flip? Oh, diba? Naklas, ringo na lang. Please. I go. Hmm, okay. Plus, ang kaning block ba kay representation na ang unay steps niya, may amplitude ba? Pero kung sequence class, wala dyan na siya ka ng plane diha. Okay, so S, then this is 2, this is 3, as is lang. It's 3, and then unsay sunod gani? 2, 3, and then 1. Okay, i-flip man na to siya si x of negative n. 1, and then 0, 0. And on the right side, we have 3, 4, 2, 1. So we have 3, halagiwi, and then 4, we have 2, we have 1, and then 0. Oh, done na siya. Okay, one representation. So 5, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 3 na siya, rather, and then 4, 2, 1. Hey, this is our x of negative n. Ato na siyang flip. Okay, now to solve for our x e of n, to solve our x e of n, okay, ato na siyang i-butang into sequence first. Okay, so x n, x n. Okay, so for x n, this becomes um 0 dot kay kuan man na siya kas infinite man na siya dito padong ba diri pod infinite. Okay, naka zero man na siya. Dato air percent nga dot. So we have 0, usa lang. 1, 3, 2, 5. Si y ay may butang. 3, 4, 1, 0. Dot. Okay? That's for our x of negative n, x of n rather. This one is the negative n. I-flip ra na nimo siya class. Dot. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 1, 0. Pero kung tanaw sa gasa, dasan libat ko ba? Okay? Now, at 5 is at 5 is equal to 0. So at y is equal to 5, that's x equal to 0. Tanaw nimo diri class. Ay amplitude is 5, diha siya ni 0. Right? So diha na to butangan of arrow. And for the x of negative n, diri siya ni 0, 0. 1, 2, 3. Do not forget to write the number, ha? Pero kablaw ko nga muna sa representation. Okay. Now, solving x e n equal to 1/2. Are you still there? Mingawa, oy.
Yeah po, miss.
Yes, miss.
Negative n. Okay. So, x of e n, auto i-represent. Okay. x e n is, okay. Palihog sa tanaw ka sa. Mag-start ta at here 0. Okay. And the other one is 1. Why? Okay, at x of negative n, di-fall siya sa 0 at negative 4. And this is 0, 1, 2, negative 3, negative 4. For this one, ari po ta mag-start ni xn. Okay? Asa man siya ni negative 4 which is at 1. Right? Mura ra siya ni shift ba? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, pero kuwang. Walay
Wa
2.
to, ma'am. Sa babaw sa
Diba? Mura po ito ang babaw.
Dili na siya 1, 2, 4, 3, miss.
sa
Yes.
taas, ma'am. 5, 3, 4, 2, 1.
Yes. 1, 2. 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. 1, 2. This is supposed to be 3. 4 diri. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sakto na siya. Finally. Okay, so let's solve. Okay, nakadot-dot mo na siya. So, dot, 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 dot. Okay, now, pareho kong subay ko yung nakaklasa. Nalibat ko yung nani. Okay? Di ba itong formula, 1 half x n plus x minus n. So, 0 plus 1, 1 times 1 half, 1 half. Di ba? Green lang ako. Okay? 1 plus 2 times 1 half or divided by 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 2 is 3 halves. Right? And then 3 plus 4, 7 divided by 2, 7 halves. And then 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 2 is 5 halves. After 5 plus 5, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 3 plus 2 is 5 divided by 2 is 5 halves. And then, ako na ang linyahon. And then, 4, ha? Tayo. Diba? Okay. So, we have 5 halves. 4 plus 3 is 7. Divided by 2 is 7 halves. 2 plus 1 is 3. Divided by 2 is 3 halves. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Divided by 2 is 1 half. And that. Wala na siya. Okay, now, if we look at this part, okay, symmetric siya. Okay, there is no sign changes. Therefore, this is an even symmetric sequence. Right? To solve for the odd na formula nga 1 half x of n plus x, anong plus? Negative, minus ka. Minus x of negative. Okay. So, x of n is that. Okay. So, mahitabo ani class is 1, 0 minus 1 is 1, negative 1 divided by 2 is negative 1 half. Okay. 1 minus 2 is 1 divided by 2, negative 1 half. 3 minus 4, negative 1 divided by 2, negative 1 half. 2 minus 3, negative 1 divided by 2, 1 half. 5 minus 5 is 0 divided by 5 equals 0. Oh, divided by 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1 divided by 2, 1 half. 4 minus 3, 1 divided by 2, 1 half. 2 minus 1, 1 divided by 2, 1 half. And 1 minus 0 is 1 divided by 2, 1 half. Now, if we look at this part, we have negative here. And, sorry. We have negative here and positive here. Okay? Ma-prove na to siya class because ato siyang gi-flip. Okay? So, dili sila same og nawong. Kay kana na lang, ita maglibo. So, therefore, this is an odd symmetric. Okay, that's how you solve the sequence for odd and even symmetric. Hopefully, nakasabot. Okay. Now, for even class, okay, so for example, let's represent it through graph. Okay. Di lang sana ko i-graph. Kunin ako nga tackle. So we have representation. Ano lang kasi ako mag Mhm. Okay. So this time we represent odd and even component of a unit step. Okay. So basically, ang babaw class is just generally discrete. Okay. So for this time, it is with unit step. Okay. Can remember pa muna unit step. Okay. For unit step, kung muna siya atong graph, erase na siya of a unit and then that's it, graph. Okay. So for even component, that's for continuous class na. Continuous siya because we are representing with a line. Pero kung discrete siya, nakayan-ani siya. Okay, na kay mga sample points. In a million of samples, inara kay gikuha nga sample points and naa sa equivalent interval. So for example, we have here, okay, so we have a T and this is U, E of T. U, E of T lang. Okay? So for even, nara siya diri nga part lang. Okay, sorry. Nana siya value diha. Okay? This is kan lang diha ako to. Ato representation. Kung continuous, that's a line. Right? Yun, ani siya. Line na siya. But since we are on discrete, ato represent of discrete. Okay. Now, that's the representation of our even component. Okay? If we have an odd, okay, the odd class is, okay, we have here, the odd is not siya daring apart. If we have this is negative 1, negative 2, pila na, 5. Okay, this is U O of T, oh, no, E of T, hindi na siya odd, sorry. Ay, at flip sa class, more like x of negative n. So, E of T, hindi na pwede butang diha nga negative. Okay. So, we have T here. So, pag flip na mo diha, U, E of T. Okay? But ang representation is naka U, E of negative T na siya. Oh, di na siya T. That's N. Okay? Sorry. You are on discrete. Discrete. Okay, U, E of N. This is the N. Okay? Hopefully, ako na-awari ako. Nice. Okay. So, if we have to solve, okay, tagaan mo class. Ano siya? So, for U, E of change niya ba? Change. U, E of N. Okay, di ba namatay 1/2? Okay, U of T. Pati of D, U of T, good way. Plus U of negative N. Right? So, ang solve ang class in graphical representation, okay? So, ang kanisa, so, ang kanisa is you just need to fuse with this one because we are doing addition. So, kani, patihan lang nako. So, kani, okay? And 1, 2, okay? But, the, kung kani siya class is for example at 1, okay? At 1 na siya. Now, this part here is that's 0.5. Okay, representation. Why? Because naatay divided by 2. Okay? If the amplitude is 1, i-divide mo og 2, that's 1 half. Okay, that's 0.5. Okay? Hopefully, nakakuha. Hmm. Okay, now let's do odd components. Okay? So if we have um the same graph, okay, kani, okay, um UO of n is equal to U of n minus U of negative p. Okay? So for that one, okay, if this is our graph at U of n generally, okay, unsa gyud mahitabo kung i-add na to siya class ma-flip kani siya ma-flip to the other side. Okay? Ano sa iyon ani ba? Ano siya? Okay? For example, at 1 na siya. Is that U negative n? Negative U of kani ba? Ano eh? Ah, si asa naman to nalimot ako kani. This one. Okay? So if that's the flip um side of our add, ang hitabo class is this part here. Oops, sorry. Tayo pa kung nakapit. This one here. Why is it flip? Yun. Hey. Now if we flip it, eh, dili na siya 1. Okay, so if we graph it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this part here class, ang kanina siya is 0.5 na siya. And this part here is 0.5. That is the graphical representation. Okay. For the UO of n. Ano? T, N lagi. That's n. Okay. Now, if you fuse this two class, okay, if you fuse this two, sa may tabo. Hello? Are you still there? Sino ko ako na lang. Ano pa diyan? Tingog po ni class. Mm,
Nakalis.
tingog po ni oy. Okay. Now, how about kung imong add o subtract ang ato ang solution class? Kanindo ka? Okay? If you um limot ko sa term. Okay? If you add this to graphical representation, naa siya 0.5. Okay? On the right side to tanaw. Na siya 0.5. Napod siya 0.5 here. So basically, kung imoy add ang duha, ang iyang magnitude is 1. 1 na yung magnitude diri. Mura na siya ingon ani. Right? Now, for the left side, kung imo ni siyang i i-minus, Okay? 0.5 minus 0.5, that is 1. Diba? 0.5 minus 0.5. So that's 1. Right? So basically, ang iyang graph class is nakaingon ani nga 1 ang amplitude. Okay? Na-prove ra nato nga if we do this, okay, and do also the add, if you add and subtract, if you add and subtract, okay, ang solution hapon class is the original graph. Ang isa naka-flip or fold, same na na sila class ha, flip or fold. And ang usa equal sa original niya graphical representation. That's just the representation of the component, both odd and even. Okay. So we have here simple, simple manipulation of DT signal, discrete time signal. Okay. We have the folding or flip. Okay. Muna na is flipping. Ang ubang term sa book is to flip, pero basically class for ECE, tawag na siyang fold. So folding, it is represented by FD. You fold the Xn signal, the discrete signal, which is basically X of negative N. Katotong gibot kanina. Okay? We also have time delay. Okay? Time delay is represented by TD. Okay? Time delay at K. Okay? At what sample? Okay? That's TDK. You delay the signal at sample K. Okay? Oh, TDK, if you delay the signal sample K, so it's just represented with X n minus K, given that K must not be greater than 0. Okay? So for example, for the time delay class, for example, na atay sequence graphical representation na. This is 3, this is 2, and 1. Okay, and this is 0. And at the left hand side, 0, 0 na nasa tanan. Okay? Na kung maingon ta og x n minus 2, we delayed time at 2 at sample 2. Ang mahitabo class is nani na siya. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Ang mahitabo ani, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1 and 0, 0, 0, 0. I-delay man niya class. So basically, you are just shifting the sequence to the right. Kung imo ni siya i-delay ang sequence to the right, Hello, 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 hello. Hello, can you hear me? Niungot siya sa kuan.
Yes, miss.
Okay. If you delay class, okay, unsay may tabo. Kung delay, is you shift the whole sequence to the right at sample K. Unsa may atong K dire? That's 2. Right? So you shift it at 2. Kuha. Kuha mo sa idea. Nga, delay niya, gi-shift to the right. Kuha mo class.
Yes, miss.
How about the other?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Leave
miss.
that daw, miss.
Okay. So for this one, if you shift it at 3, at 0 is 3 ang iyahang function. Okay? So, ang 3 diri class, since we shift it at k equal to 2, so mahitabuan ni ari na siya sa negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Ito na siya ni 0. Negative 1 rather. And 0, 1, 2, 3, something, something. Okay? You shift the whole sequence at 2. So, imong gipadong dito. Okay? So, this is the arrow. For example, this is the arrow. Ana, dyan ang arrow. Kaya diha man ni 0. At x equals 0. If you shift the sequence, kani ba? Mo man yung sequence. Kani. Mo man yung sequence, di ba? Ana. If you shift it, padung dito, okay? So, basically, steady mo na si arrow. I-shift ni mo dito, igdagan mo dito, si 2 siya ma-point. Okay? Muna siya si time delay. Now, for example, we have a signal at z equal to n. Z na lang dyan. Equal to n. That if you time delay at k, but imong gi-fold una. Okay? So, using the signal. No, let's not use the signal. Theory lang. Okay, so TDK, FD, N. So, unang buhaton na class is imo siya sa i-fold. Unahan mo ang center part. Mura siya composite function ba? Okay? Calculus. Mura siya composite function. Unahon sa nimo i-fold. So, basically, si Zn is TDK. After you fold it, ang mahitabo is x of negative n, right? Because folding is x of negative n, right? And after you fold it, adto na ka mag time delay. Okay? A time delay is x of negative n is just equal to x of negative n kung ani mo og k. Okay? X of negative k. Minus man is namin siya x minus ano ni? Hanggang k. Okay? So this is wrong ang representation. Diba? Magawa na type dun. Type dun siya. So, negative n man siya class. So, we have negative of the n, which is represented with n minus k. Okay? So, basically, ano siya? Or, x of, ano ni? Negative n plus k. Okay? Muna siya ang fold, then delay by k. K is the sample point. Okay? Now, if you do the opposite. You, sana, time delay first. Okay, so ang conclusion ani class is just FD, di isa ni mo i-fold. Unahon mo og time delay. Unahon mo ang nasa center. Time delay, x and minus k. Okay, and after that, you flip it. Okay, so x of negative n, negative k. Si n, himuon naman imong negative n. That's folding. Basically, this is delay by k, then fold. Okay, muna siya. Now, next, we have time advance. This is the third one. Okay. For time advance, it is represented by TA at sample k, k, x of n, k, which is equal to x n plus k, given k not equal to 0. Okay, because we must have the k must be, or n must be, direct class in k siya. Because this, again, this is the smallest integer value that can satisfy our condition. Okay. And after that, for example, we have, what do you call it? For advanced class, you just shift it to the left. So kung muna ato signal, if we shift it to the left, ang bagong point arrow is 2 at k equals 2, right? 2. So if you shift it to the left, because we are advancing, so ang 2 na diri. Okay? So at 2, diha na siya si 3. And so on and so forth. Okay? Hopefully nakasabot. For the time advance, if we have yun sa ito na ko represent. Hindi ba naglibutan po? If we have FD, time advance of K, X of N. X of N. Okay? So this is FD. Then you advance it, N plus K. Okay? Advance ang una. Okay? And then you fold it. X of negative N plus K. So this is advanced by K. Then fold. Okay? This is for the N. Okay? Kanang ZN as representation na siya nga muna sa dissolve. You can put S of N, okay? But for some books, muna siya ginagamit. So, TAK, Mhm. TAK, FB, okay? X of negative N. So, TAK, so X of negative N, okay? And then you advance it, X of negative N plus K. So this is X of negative N minus 2. Okay, this is very much the same with this one. Okay, so this is hold, then advance, then by K. Okay? So for example, guys, naatay sequence na x of n equals to exam na siya, sir? Kung pag ikaw ka-quiz, exam na siya. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, dot, 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 dot. Okay? At x equals to 0, y is equal to 2. So, first, let's solve FD at 2. Okay? Ang sampung point is 2. TD2. Ay, walay number si Paul. Sorry, sorry. TD2 and then x of n. So this is equal to FD. So this is dot 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 I. Okay, dot 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 ang una. I. Then you copy kay advance man. Ah, delay, sorry. Okay. So supposed to be kung si 2 ang ato ang x is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, so this is y is equal to 2, right? So since if this is a D arrow, ingon na sa time delay, so mo shift siya og kaduha to the right. So ang mahitabo, ang bag-o is this one. Okay? After that, you fold it. Okay? So, unahon diha. Dot, 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 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, dot, 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 dot. And do not forget to copy the arrow. Okay? That is delayed by 2, then fold. Okay. So, for example, we have Q of, sorry. So, if we have Q of n equal to TA at 2, and then we fold it, fold then TA, sorry. Okay, so you fold it first, same sequence. So this is TA2, so fold sa original. So you fold it is dot 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 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, and we have 2 as at the x equals 0, and then you advance it. Okay, you advance, you shift to the um you shift to the left. So basically this is dot 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 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, dot 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 dot. And our arrow na diri na ni 0. Okay, delay by K, you shift it to the right. Ang sequence mo i-shift sa right class ha, dili ang arrow. Okay, moro ba na misconception sa uban? Ang sequence mo i-shift. Iyaw ang arrow. Kung delay ka, then imo ra siyang birahon parang left kung ang arrow ha. Kung muna yung perception na no. Kung advance, then imo rang birahon ng arrow. Okay? Kung anha mo comfortable. Very clear? Hello?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Miss.
Okay, assignment. Na-download na mo sa PDF class. Hello. Naka-download na mo, wala pa.
Sa unsa na PDF, miss? Katong sa book, miss.
Si Proactis pa na lang, miss ba?
Yes, miss. Ano, miss?
Okay. Nako assignment anak ninyo. Page 1 to 6. Wait, I'm confirm page. Oh, this one. Ako i-share. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, that one. Ay, ayun. Okay. Assignment. This one. Okay. Discrete time signal x of n is defined as this one. Then you have this. Kani. 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 And C. Okay. And for number 2. Okay. This is good for 2 assignments. Pero iusa lang class para dili ka sa papel. Kani. Okay. That's the assignment. Kuha, wala. Hello.
Kuha ra ma'am.
What the? Okay. If you don't have any other question, we you can leave the room now. Take your lunch.
Ay,
Bring something.
handwritten ni miss.
Ha?
Handwritten.
Yes.
Kana sa pass miss.
Friday.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay. And maybe next week class I will give you quiz. Hala, mag-quiz si Miss. Okay? 1 quiz before prelim. Murag next week. Saan na sa ganing prelim, sir? Next week ba, sir? September 30, so good. Okay. 1 quiz next week pa, sir. Next Monday pa na siya. Okay. 1 quiz before the prelim exam. Okay ka na kay timing face to face. Okay. So, if you're okay with everything, then you may leave. Open note. Dili open note dong. Nusa mo ko ka class. Nusa mo ko ka exam. Open note. Sige, bye class. Pag-out naman ko eh.
Sige, miss.
Bye ma'am.
Yeah,
Bye,
miss.
miss. Thank you.
Pasende
Sige,
miss
miss.
out ma'am.
Sige, go.
Thank you ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.